My mother is the most important person in my life. She loves me more than everyone else in this world, and I love her the same way. She always helps me when I'm happy. She smiles with me, and when I'm sad, she makes me happy with warm hugs. Every morning, my mother wakes up early before everyone else. She prepares breakfast for our family and makes sure we have everything we need for the day. She helps me get ready for school, packs my lunch, and reminds me to do my best in class. Even when she's tired, she never forgets to smile at me before I leave the house. When I'm come back from school, my mother greets me with a big smile. She asks how my day was and listens carefully to everything I say. Then, she helps me with my homework, explaining things I don't understand, and encourages me to keep learning. She always tells me that education is important and that I can achieve anything if I work hard. My mother also takes care of our home. She cleans, washes clothes, and cooks delicious meals for us every day. Her food always tasted amazing because she makes with the love. On weekends, she sometimes bakes cakes or special meals and we all eat together as a family. Those moments make me every happy because I can see how much she loves us. Even when she is busy, my mother finds time to talk with me. She listens when I tell her about my friends or my dreams for the future. She gives me good advice and it teaches me how to be kind, honest, and respectful to others. My mother always says that being a good person is more important than having a lot of money. At night, before I sleep, she tells me stories or says kind words that make me feel safe and peaceful. When I close my eyes, I thank God for giving me such a wonderful mother. In conclusion, my mother is my best friend, my teacher, and my greatest supporter. She means everything to me, and I love her more than everything in the world. I hope that one day I can make her proud and I take care of her the same way she has taken care of me.